Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into 20 must-know words related to weather, climate, and nature, explained with simple meanings and examples. Without any delay, let's get started. Drizzle light rain. Example, it's just a drizzle, not heavy rain. Breeze a light wind. Example, a cool breeze feels nice in the evening. Wind moving air. Example, the wind is very strong today. Drought, a long time with no rain. Example, farmers worry during a drought. Hail, small balls of ice that fall from the sky. Example, we had hail instead of rain today. Mild, weather that is not too hot or too cold. Example, the weather is mild in spring. Climate, the usual weather in a place over a long time. Example, India has a tropical climate. Weather, the condition of the air and sky at a particular time, such as whether it is sunny, rainy, windy, hot, or cold. Example, the weather is perfect for a picnic today, sunny and cool. Season, one of the 4 parts of the year, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Example, my favorite season is winter. Storm, bad weather with strong wind, rain, or lightning. Example, a big storm is coming tonight. Fog, thick cloud near the ground that makes it hard to see. Example, the road was hard to see in the fog. Snow, soft white frozen water that falls in cold places. Example, kids love playing in the snow. Rainbow, a colorful arc seen after rain when the sun shines. Example, look. There's a rainbow in the sky. Deforestation, cutting down large areas of forests. Example, deforestation leads to loss of habitats. Monsoon, a seasonal wind bringing heavy rainfall, especially in South Asia. Example, the monsoon season starts in June. Frost, a thin layer of ice that forms when the temperature drops below freezing. Example, there was frost on the grass this morning. Tornado, a rotating column of air touching the ground, causing destruction. Example, a tornado warning was issued last night. Humidity, the amount of moisture in the air. Example, the humidity makes it feel hotter than it actually is. Pollution, harmful substances released into the environment. Example, air pollution causes health problems. Flood, too much water in an area. Example, the river overflowed and caused a flood. Now you've learned 20 useful weather and nature words that you can use every day. Which word was new to you? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and fun English lessons. See you in the next video.